Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize index funds with Procter Gamble Company, beginner guide step by step clearly. Understanding index funds is essential for any beginner investor. Index funds are designed to track the performance of a specific market index. Procter Gamble, or P&G, is a well-known company that can be part of your investment strategy. Start by selecting an appropriate index fund that includes Procter Gamble in its holdings. Look for funds that track major indices, such as the S&P 500. Next, research the expense ratios of different index funds. Lower expense ratios can lead to higher long-term returns. Evaluate the fund's historical performance, focusing on its return over the past 5 to 10 years. Ensure the fund has a good track record of closely following its target index. Consider the fund's dividend yield. P&G is known for paying consistent dividends, making it an attractive choice for income-focused investors. Set a budget for your investment. Decide how much you can comfortably invest in index funds. Choose a reputable brokerage platform to make your purchase. Many platforms offer commission-free trading on index funds. Once you've selected a fund, open an account with your chosen brokerage. Complete the necessary identification and financial information as required. After your account is set up, fund it using a bank transfer or other accepted payment methods. Now, place an order to buy shares of your chosen index fund. You can either invest a lump sum or set up automatic contributions over time. Monitor your investment periodically to stay informed on market conditions. Consider reinvesting dividends to take advantage of compound growth. Review your investment strategy yearly to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Stay informed about any changes in the fund or in Procter & Gamble's business performance. With a long-term perspective, index funds can help you build wealth effectively. By investing in a fund that includes Procter & Gamble, you can benefit from the stability of a well-established company. Enjoy the journey of learning and growing your investment portfolio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.